complete grammar lesson. Master the forms, structures, and most important uses. Visual Simple Checklist English Grammar Book. What you'll learn. By the end of this lesson, you'll know which subjects use have been, has been, and had been. How to make statements, negatives, and questions. Common pronunciation and contractions. 4 key uses. Travel experiences. Unfinished states and actions. 2 past events. Passive voice. Bonus uses with modals and third conditionals. The noun has been. How to use them correctly in real sentences. Visual roadmap checklist. Form. Subjects. Example. Have been. I, you, we, they plural nouns. They have been busy. Has been. He, she, it singular nouns. She has been busy. Had been. All subjects. We had been busy. Remember. Have has been present perfect. Had been past perfect. Subject agreement. Use with. I, you, we, they, plural nouns. I have been tired. You've been helpful. We have been friends for years. My parents have been busy. Use with. He, she, it, singular nouns, uncountable nouns. He has been sick. London has been beautiful. The bread has been fresh. Use with. I had been. She had been. They had been. The children had been. Sentence structure. Positive. Subject have had been. She has been busy. Negative. Subject have had not been. She has not been busy. Question. Have had subject been? Has she been busy? Quick example. Positive, they have been waiting. Negative, they have not been waiting. Question, have they been waiting? What does been do? Been can be used in 2 important ways. Describing a state. Have had been adjective and noun. I have been tired. She has been a teacher with another verb. Have had been verbing. I've been studying. They had been waiting. Key idea. Been can describe a state or help form a continuous action. Pronunciation of been. Been has 2 common pronunciations. Ben. Sounds like Ben. Rhymes with pen. B's small kapien. Sounds like bin. Both are correct. In casual American English, an is very common. 8 common contractions. Full form. Contraction. I have been. I've been. You have been. You've been. He has been. He's been. She has been. She's been. It has been. It's been. I had been. I'd been. He had been. He'd been. She had been. She'd been. Examples. I've been meaning to call you. She's been out all day. It had been. It had been. Travel experiences. We use have been, has been to talk about places someone has visited. Will has been to London many times, meaning Will visited London multiple times and returned. Remember. Been to London. Visited to London. Visit does not take to. Have you been to Australia? Has Amelia been to Qatar? Specific time? Use simple past. Don't normally use present perfect with a finished, specific past time. I've been to Australia last year. I went to Australia last year. Compare. No specific finished time. I've been to Australia. Specific past time. I went to Australia last year. Rule. Present perfect life experience side connection to now. Simple past finished time in the past. Have has been, went there, came back. Alicia has been to Mumbai. She visited Mumbai and returned. Have has gone, went there, hasn't returned yet. Alicia has gone to Mumbai. She is still there. Easy memory trick. Ben back. Gone away. Use had been when a past visit happened before another past event. I had never been to the US before I visited New York. Timeline. Earlier had been had never been. Later visited New York. Now telling the story. Another example. We had been to that restaurant before, so we already knew what to order. Unfinished states. Use have has been for a state that started in the past and continues now. He has been a nurse for almost a year. He has been a nurse since last March. He started in the past and is still a nurse now. Remember, FOR, duration, for 3 years. SINCE, starting point, since 2021. Unfinished actions. Have has BEEN, verbing. Use this structure for an action that started in the past and continues up to now. I have been studying English since 2021. William has been watching TV for 3 hours. She has been working from home since the pandemic started. Structure. Have has been verbing. Visual clock arrow moving toward NOW for 3 years. For 2 hours. For 7 months. For a long time. I've lived here for 5 years. Since 2021. Since Monday. Since last March. Since 9 a.m. I've lived here since 2021. FOR, period of time. SINCE, starting point. Use had been when one past situation happened or continued before another past event. I had been studying English for 3 years when I went to London. Timeline. Earlier had been studying. Later went to London. Now talking about both. Pattern. Had been in earlier ongoing action. Simple past later event. Visual 2-point timeline before NOW. More examples with HADBEEN. William had been watching TV for 3 hours when he started doing chores. He had been a nurse for 11 months when he quit his job. We had been together for 7 years when we broke up. They had been dating for 2 years when they got engaged. I had been waiting for an hour when the bus finally arrived. Key idea. HADBEEN, earlier past situation, later past event. Passive voice. Use have been, has been, had been in the passive voice when the focus is on the receiver of the action. Active. We have received your order. Passive. Your order has been received. The order is more important than the person who received it. More examples. Your package has been delivered. Your packages have been delivered. After modal verbs. After modal verbs, use. Modal have been. Not has been. He must have been at work. Maria might have been in Ghana. They could have been home by now. Common modals. May, might, must, could, would, should. Remember. Modal have been. Third conditional. The third conditional talks about an imaginary or unreal past situation. Structure. would have been, if had been. I would have been happy if you had come with us. If I had been to Greenland before, I would have told you about it. Key pattern. If had past participle, would have past participle. Fine. Has been as a noun. Has been. Noun, informal, usually negative. A has-been is someone who was once famous or successful but is no longer successful or popular. That actor is a total has-been now. Important. Has-been as a noun is different from she has been successful, has-been noun. Has been verb phrase. Quick comparison. Form. Main idea. Example. Have been. Present perfect. We have been friends for years, has been. Present perfect, singular. She has been busy all day, had been. Earlier past. They had been waiting when I arrived. He has been ing. Ongoing action. I have been studying, had been ing. Earlier ongoing action. I had been studying when she called, has have been past participle. Present perfect passive. The package has been delivered, had been past participle. Past perfect passive. The tickets had been sold. We have been working. She has been working. Everyone. They had been working.